Yeah, hello guys, welcome to Mushroom Kenya demonstration farm that we have here in Karen village. Today I'm going to take you through our demonstration farm that we are really using for two reasons. One, for mushroom research, we are doing a lot of research here. And two, for demonstration, we are trying to limit people from our main farm to access this farm for hygiene precautions. So this is the gate that we have for the farm, and we're just trying to do some tidy work here, clean this place, and just make it look very organized. And so this is the entrance. We're just trying to plant some grass, this some outlook. There's a board of ours here that the other side is Mushroom Kenya. Maybe we look at how it's written. So there is Mushroom Kenya in partnership with Karen Village. So Mushroom Kenya inside Karen Village. So this is it. And then at the back we ask our guests some question, and the question is, why does the mushrooms get invited to parties? So you come to our farm with an answer to that question. So we are setting up a bottle house here that we'll also use for mushroom experimentation, research. We also have a glass bottle house. This house is built of bottles. As you can see, these are bottles. They are pombe bottles. Yes, there are so many. We have so many here at the farm. These ones, Mzinga, we use them to build the house. So we have different types of bottles, and we sort them in different sizes, and that is what we use to build the house. So this is built of bottle, glass bottle,